First, let's create a new Excel 2019 spreadsheet. Let's type in a text next to the drop-down menu we want to create. At the bottom, click the plus icon to create a new sheet. Double-click a cell, and type in the value for each item you want to appear on the drop-down menu. Go back to the first sheet. Select the cell where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Go to Data, then click on Data Validation. Under Allow, select List, then click the arrow under Source. Go back to the second sheet, then select all of the items you want the drop-down menu to include. Click the arrow on the right, then press OK. Here is your Excel drop-down list. All done. Please subscribe.